Hello friends, welcome to The Civilian, and today we will be talking about what to do when you're not getting enough profits in your business. Now, as you know, the world is facing a pandemic, the pandemic known as coronavirus or COVID-19. Now, all the businesses are affected by this pandemic, and while some businesses are really earning, for example, Zoom video conferencing app or online education, many industries are facing extinction or bankruptcy. Now, many companies have already filed for bankruptcy, and many more may file for bankruptcy in the upcoming times. And if you are a business owner and you're thinking what to do in these tough times when your business is not getting enough profits, I have a message for you. Now, recently I read a book named The One Thing, which is written by Gary Keller. Now, this book is really very good, and I recommend it to everyone to read it at least once. Now, in this book, the author says to focus on the one thing which can bring you massive results, extraordinary results, and transform your life from just being ordinary or normal to really very good or extraordinary. So now I'm going to tell you what to do when you're not getting enough profits from your business. Now, when you're not getting enough profits from your business, you're probably focusing on the wrong things. If you're not getting enough profits in your business, this means that you need to focus on your purpose. Now, the book says purpose over profits. If you want profits, don't focus on profits. Don't just worry about where the profits will come, how much profitable will you be in the upcoming time. Just focus on your purpose. What is your purpose? And when you finally know what was the purpose when you initially started your business, or what is the purpose of running your business, you will finally get a list of priorities. Now, this priority list will contain some of the most important things to do. Now, these are the most important things that if you do now, you will gain an upper hand over everyone in the marketplace. While everyone may be trying to break even or turn profitable, you may earn higher profits than ever before. So focus on your purpose, and when you focus on your purpose, you'll get some priorities, and based on that priorities, you will get productivity. You will get productivity because you are going to work on the most important and urgent stuff that will give your business an exponential growth. Now, exponential growth is not normal growth. Exponential growth means a massive growth over a short period of time. So, what is your purpose? Focus on your purpose, get the list of your priorities, and when you hit your priorities rightly, you will get productivity. And as soon as you hit productivity levels to the maximum, you will get profits. So whenever you're facing a difficult situation, like today we are facing a difficult situation like COVID-19 pandemic, as a business owner, you should always try to focus on your purpose. The minute you get your purpose, you will get a list of priorities. As soon as you focus on your priorities, you will get productivity if you really work on them. And if you get your productivity, you will eventually get to the profits. So never worry about profits whatsoever. The situations may be good, the situation may be bad. Always focus on your purpose, and then from purpose to priority, from priority to productivity, and from productivity to profits. And this was a small excerpt from the book called The One Thing. Now, The One Thing is a really very good book written by Gary Keller, and I highly recommend it to each and every one of you. You should read this book at least once. It's highly valuable. Thank you for staying with us in this video, and we will meet you in the next one. Thank you.